Hello and welcome back to my channel. So the reading that we're gonna do now is for all the scorpions actually, and it will be for the month of August 2020. So before delaying it any further, let's see what we have coming up for all the Scorpios out there for the month of August 2020. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any future videos. Okay, so let's see what we have coming up for all the Scorpios. Okay, also I don't read reversals due to some personal reasons. Maybe I would do it in the near future, but not at the moment, okay? Okay. Let me just take out some clarifiers. Okay, so for all the Scorpions out there, I do see in your recent past, you were dealing with some kind of situation in your recent past, maybe related to your love life. It wasn't, I won't say that it was a very heartbreaking or a very stressful situation. It was just that it was not up to mark. It was not as you expected it to be. Maybe you in your career, or maybe in something, maybe in your love life, you were not getting all the attention from a specific person, or maybe you were not getting what you were expecting from that person. So there's some kind of instability that I see in the recent past for all of you. You were abundant. It's like if you tell somebody your situation, you were abundant in that situation. I won't say abundant, but you were sufficient. Like you had everything sufficiently to sufficiently live like a normal life, but maybe you wanted things in abundance. I do see it's more or less related to your love life. Like for most of the Scorpions, it's going to be related to your love life. There was some kind of instability about a certain situation, but you eventually gained abundance in your life. Because in the present situation, I see abundance in everything. I see abundance in your love life. Maybe before, in the recent past, you were going through some kind of trials with your loved one, or with the person that you wanted to marry, or you were already married to. But I do see that you had some kind of trials with the person that you wanted to marry in the recent past. But in your present situation, I do see abundance in everything. I do see abundance in love, career, finances, prosperity, so much of happiness, joy, everything coming your way. Also, we do have marriage on your cards, so definitely you will be getting married to this person, or you are getting married to this person. That person may have just come in your life already. Like maybe your marriage is already fixed, or it's gonna be fixed like in some days, but I do see marriage on your cards. And the person that you are dealing with, that person is quite stable. That person knows what they are doing basically. That person knows that if they have come in your life, that person knows your worth. That person has all the strength. Maybe that person before was gaining the strength to convince their family, or maybe just gaining the strength within themselves to come and approach you, but now that person knows where they're going. I see a lot of strength here, and I do see that. I see more or less this card as the energy of the other person that you're dealing with in your life. That person has gained all that strength. Now they are grounded. They are like, now, and now is the point that they are ready. Okay, and I see in the recent future we have new starts coming your way. Your intuition is telling you a lot of things, so don't forget to listen to your intuition. Your intuition is getting active day by day. There are a lot of new opportunities coming your way. Maybe it could be in your career, maybe it could be related to your studies or something, but there are new opportunities coming your way. So just having all these cards lined up, don't forget about the other things that are coming your way. Don't forget about, maybe it's a new business that you're going to start. Maybe it's maybe I would say like it's a new start of your life. Maybe like you got married and it's a new start of your family life. It could be that as well. And you are all stable. You have all the strength to deal with every single thing. You are in your full power. Whatever comes your way, you can simply deal with it. Yeah. And I do see here, like I clarified this last card. Yeah, I do see some changes coming up in your life. A lot of changes. A lot of changes in a way, like you will get to know a lot of things. Maybe you'll be just going overseas, or maybe you'll have to travel away from your family, and you are just a little bit sad about that thing. Maybe you have to go away from your family due to, maybe because of the marriage, or maybe because of any other new start that's coming your way. So I see that you're a little bit upset about that thing, but you need to know that wherever you are going, divine is with you. Whichever way you are going, whichever path you are following, divine is there to protect you all the time. Definitely sometimes we get a little bit, we feel, we have to leave our family and go to a certain place, or go I do see overseas traveling here. So maybe you have to go like overseas. So yeah, it's a pretty good read for all the Scorpions out there. You have abundance in everything. Maybe in the recent past you were a little bit stressed about some kind of situation, but still I would say you were sufficient in that. It was like not too much in abundance, but that was sufficient. But again, after whatever you wanted, or maybe you like manifested, and all of a sudden in your present situation you have every single thing. You have marriage on your cards. You got that person, whichever person you are thinking about at the moment. You got that person in your life, that person. And also this is also very important, that the person that we want in our life needs to be like stable, have the strength. It's and that person has all the qualities. That person is stable, that person has all the strength. It's an amazing read for all the Scorpions. Also, if you get any kind of a chance to enter any kind of a career which requires more of your memory, concentration, or also your intuition, just don't let it uh, swipe away, I would say. Just pay attention to it. Or if your intuition tries to tell you, just listen to your intuition. Maybe your intuition is gonna tell you about something. Let me just clarify this. Or maybe it's just a new start. Let me just clarify the thing here. Balance, yeah. Okay, perfect, yeah. Nothing to worry about. It's all calling up for some kind of balance. You will, and as I said before, the person that you are dealing with has all the strength. So definitely that person, if you go a little bit, if you feel a little bit low, just try and approach that person. That person's really creative, insightful. That person that you are dealing with right now is has their intuition already charged. So that person might help you to have a balance. Maybe because of the marriage, or maybe because of anything, you may be feeling a little bit low. Talk to that person. That person's gonna give you the strength, and eventually you won't even have to deal with just that little bit of emotional imbalance that you might have. So it's a very perfect read for you. If you feel any kind of, always remember, the person you're dealing with is very insightful, very creative, very balanced, full of strength. So whenever you need any kind of emotional, you have any kind of emotional stress, or you need any emotional guidance, you can always go to that person and ask for guidance. That person's always going to help you, and if it's your better half, what's better than that? Perfect read for all the Scorpions out there. So that's all we have for the Scorpions for the month of August. And if this reading resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified for all for whenever I post future videos. Okay, so see you all in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.